How to hide notes from someone on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide your Instagram notes from specific people in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's open the Instagram. And once you have opened the Instagram, simply tap on the chat icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, you will enter the DM section. From here, you simply need to tap on your note. Now simply type any message that you want to put on the note, and once you're done with that, simply tap on the option labeled followers that you follow back. And from there simply tap on close friends. And after tapping on that, simply pick specific people who can view your notes, and this way only your selected friends will be able to see them while others won't be able to see it. And once you have made the selection, simply tap done and that's it. Now your notes will be hidden from everyone except those you have chosen. And with this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.